Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the drain tube in this GE refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 5/16-inch nut driver, wire cutters, and zip ties. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the upper center screw, securing the waterline retainer and lower rear access panel. Next, unthread the 5 remaining screws securing the access panel, using the 5/16-inch nut driver. With the screws unthreaded, lift the panel up to remove. Use the wire cutters to cut the zip tie securing the drain tube to the compressor suction line. You can now pull the old tube down to remove. To install the new drain tube, attach the end with the grommet to the drain spout. Then use a new zip tie to secure the tube to the suction line. Replace the lower rear access panel by aligning the bottom tabs first. Rethread the screws. Secure the waterline behind the retainer and rethread the upper center screw. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.